All my beauty people, today I'm going to be showing you clipper cutting with all the clipper guard numbers and how much hair is left after each guard. But first, I want to thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking my videos. And hopefully, if you're truly learning from these videos, you are sharing these with your friends, with your loved ones. God bless you, and let's get started with the video. So first off, I want to let you know I did not drape my model this time. However, you should know that you would drape your client with the Sanex strip and with a hair cutting drape. Normally, when the client's hair is as long as you saw his hair, I use shears to cut it down. So what I'm going to be showing you in this video is just your basic getting familiar with the clipper guards. I'm going to show you each number, cut with each number, so you can see how much hair would be left. Right now, Brian's hair is at an inch. So just know a number 8 guard, also known as 25 millimeters, would leave you with 1 inch of hair. And I'm showing you how to open and close your clippers. So right now, I put a number 7 guard on there. And if you pull the handle, push it, it will push the blade up, which will make it open. And that would be a 7.5 technically. But I closed it back down so it'll be a true 7. And a number 7 is also known as 22 millimeters because sometimes the guards don't have numbers. They just say the millimeters on it. So just know a 8 is 25 millimeters, leaves you with 1 inch of hair. A 7 leaves you 7/8 of an inch of hair, but it also may say 22 millimeters on it. So just so you know, on certain parts of the head, you may hold the clippers different. Like when I'm going over the top of the head, I hold the clippers a little different so that I have control over the clippers. There's a difference when you're cutting against the hair growth and when you're cutting with the hair growth. So in this case, I'm going all against the hair growth, which will make it shorter. Sometimes if someone wants like waves in the front of their hair, you would cut down with the grain of hair, how it grows in the growth pattern, so that you could just lightly cut down the wave pattern, but you're not shaving it as short as you would if you were going against the growth. Now I'm showing you a number 6, and with the number 6 guard, you'll see 19 millimeters. And this will leave you with 3/4 of an inch of hair. Now this is a look of a number 6 guard. Remember, it's 3/4 of an inch that you get left when you use that guard. Next is the number 5 guard, which is going to leave 5/8 of an inch of hair. But also on the guard, it may say 16 millimeters. And here's the look of the number 5, and you can see the hair is getting shorter and shorter. Next, we're doing a number 4, which will leave you with 1/2 an inch. Also, you'll see on the guard 13 millimeters. And so, as you can see on the mannequin, it's always going to look different, of course. But hopefully this is giving you an idea of the amount of hair that you'd have left. And there's my cute little niece Autumn, who always loves to be in my videos. And now we're bringing it down the home stretch with a number 3, and you're going to have 3/8 of an inch of hair left, but also on the guard you'll see 10 millimeters. Continuing down, we're doing a number 2, which will leave you with 1/4 of an inch of hair, but also on the guard you will see what says 6 millimeters. And here's the after effect of doing a number 2 guard. So as you can see, it's cutting it down really close. Okay, now we're down to a number 1 guard, but what I did was I opened it, so I'm showing you 1.5 first. And then when I go down to a 1 should leave the hair at 1/8 of an inch, but also on the guard, it would say 3 millimeters. So that's your 1.5, so it's not completely at a 1 yet. And then I'm going to go back and close my clippers and do a true number 1, which would leave us with 1/8 of an inch. So here we're doing the final cut, guys. I hope that you truly learned from this video and that you were clearly able to see the different looks of each guard. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye.